Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I want to talk to you guys about shifting gears. I know it can feel mysterious for people just getting into riding, so today I'm going to show you how it works. Before we get on the road, let's go over the basic controls for a modern bike. The throttle is on the right end of the handlebar, and the clutch lever is on the left. The shift lever is down by your left foot peg, and your front brake is on the right handlebar. The rear brake is down by your right foot. To get into first gear, you use your boot to push the lever down. For the other gears, you're going to get your toe under the lever and pull it up. It's super simple. One down, the rest up. After you push your shift lever up or down, it automatically returns to the center, so it's ready for the next shift. And it'll take you up and down through the gears in sequential order. So let's get started. The bike is in neutral as the light tells us. First, you're going to pull in the clutch, then push the shift lever down. You're going to hear the bike drop into first gear. Begin easing out on the clutch. You'll feel the point where the engine starts to engage and the bike rolls forward. This is called the friction zone. Squeeze the clutch to stop sending power from the engine to the rear wheel. The bike should roll back freely then. Practice this back and forth and you'll start to get a feel for how the clutch and the throttle work together. Then roll the throttle a little further as you ease the clutch out all the way. Remember to keep your wrists low and flat so you have really good control. There you are, you're in first gear. Now let's get out on the road and grab some more gears. As speed increases, you can hear the engine sound more revved up. That's your signal it's time for the next highest gear. Remember, you get to all the gears except for first by using the toe of your boot to pull the shift lever up. Shifting gets easier once you're in motion. Just roll off the throttle, pull in the clutch, and lift the shift lever. Then roll the throttle back on and let the clutch lever out. You're in second gear. Keep rolling on the throttle and we can hear it's time for third gear. So throttle off, clutch in, lift up the shift lever with your boot, then ease out on the clutch, throttle on, and you're in third. Trust me, it'll get to be second nature. Now if I start to slow down, you can hear the engine lug. That's when it's time to downshift. So let's get our RPMs back up and I'll show you how it's done. Once again, squeeze the clutch and roll off the throttle, and now you press the shift lever down. You're back in second gear. With practice, you'll learn to match the engine speed to the lower gear to make it all happen smoothly, just like I did shifting into first. Thank you guys for joining me for this trip up and down through gears 1 through 3. And always, guys, enjoy the ride.